Welcome to Obsessed Garage. What you're looking at here, everything laid out on the countertop here, is 25 years of my pursuit, my obsession. I'm obsessed with products and what I call functional excellence. So what I'm doing, and this is an idea a buddy of mine gave me, I don't know why I never came up with it, but it's a genius idea, in that I'm gonna give somebody a version of my garage with flooring, lighting, lift, cabinets, 20 plus drawers of sonic tools, every single detailing product that I use in my process, and I'm going to give it to somebody. I'm going to fly to their house and we're going to install it together and make their version of an Obsessed Garage. We're going to choose colors, choose cabinets, choose lighting, choose to make it just like mine. So go to obsessedgarage.com, click on the banner image. It'll take you to how to win. You got to buy some shirts or some hats or become a member of my my personal Inside the Hex membership program, and that'll give you a chance to win a garage just like mine. All right, so all we got to do, take the front wheels off, put the undercarriage stuff back on, and the wheel wells, or wheel well, whatever these things are called, back in place. I'm gonna drive the car around the block. We'll check the heights outside, and then we'll do the tune and get the thing on the alignment rack. Get the heck out of here. Maybe I can get home for dinner. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Maybe you will.
Yeah. I'm an hour and a half from my house.
Thing should be fast enough.
Oh yeah, that's true. I should highway it the whole way home, just see how fast I can get this thing going.
Well, like 60 to like 120 is pretty fast.
Yeah, I'm sure. Alright, the little under splitter is back on. We got the front buttoned up. All right, front wheels are back on. Hooking up the charger so you can unload the active file. So we did the active auto work tune. You know, I hate turbos, but there's nothing quite like uploading horsepower like that at 45%. So the wheels are torqued. No fart tune, no burble tune on this. We're not freaking babies here. If it farts, I'm coming back and blaming you.
I'll blame somebody else.
Yeah, so the car's almost done. All I gotta do is align it. Oh, and I still gotta do a 3-day intake project. Forgot about that. And steering wheel. Paddle shifters. I need more projects. Yeah, you better not be getting me any frickin' burbles on this thing. I'll rip the DMEs right out of the front of the engine bay. Just like all of a sudden it goes. I'll punt the car right out the door. All right, we got to come up like a 1/4 of an inch in the front. It's settled a bit. But man, the car looks so good. When you see this thing rolling down the road, dude, it looks freaking. Like I saw Michelle driving, and I'm thinking that thing looks tough.
Silverstone 2 is a great color. It's so understated. You never see it. It's never ordered.
Yep. I certainly wouldn't have. But it's cleaned up nicely. Rear's good. Front. Too low. I'm in charge. It's not rubbing.
Yeah, that's the key.
As long as it's not rubbing, it's good?
Exactly.
No. In about 10 years, you'll understand.
I guess. What's the hot boy? What's the hot boy?
I know. You grow out of it. Alright, I'm making Ollie want to kick me out of here. I'm going up 2 turns. 2 turns. 2 turns up. And then I'm going to make you put it back down, and we're going to go 1 turn up. At least we don't have to take the wheels off. Alright, so alignment time. So this is key. If you're watching for the first time, I've done 57 alignment videos. But you need to go to a place that has the tire clamp, whatever you call these things, measuring devices, instead of the ones that clamp onto the wheel, because they'll ruin your freaking wheels. Tape them or not, it leaves an indentation in your wheels. So we're going -1.3, -1.5. 1.3 in the rear, 1.5 in the rear. Sorry, 1.3 in the front, 1.5 in the rear. And we want, so I'm looking at the Dinan instructions. We need 0.17 toe in the front, 0.2 toe in the rear. So first thing you gotta do is roll it. Alright, so we rolled it onto the pads. You'll get a measurement. Laser straight. None of your eyeball calculation bullcrap.
Yeah, you have to eyeball.
Come on.
M button and then control.
Yeah.
Right there.
Straight, not crooked. Alright, so what do we got? We got 1726. First you gotta do the rear. Always start with the rear. Toe 0.2.
That I can't measure.
I mean you can't measure.
Because last time we tried to do that calculation, it turned out to be wrong.
Yeah, we don't have any fancy toe arms on this car.
Get you a -2.7.
Wrong way, wrong way. Did you pull the plates? Don't you have to take these things off?
These?
Yeah.
Those are going to make that much difference.
Yeah. 2.0. 1.9. Uh-oh.
That's as much as you'll go.
That's all I got?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yep, 1.9.
I guess 1.9 it is. You're so happy you don't even have to do anything on the other side. -1.9 is all we can get without doing some sort of camber bolts. Where the heck do we even do toe in this thing?
Huh?
Where is the toe adjustment?
Up there.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Yep.
No wonder they don't make toe arms for this. So the old toe arms are way up in there. In case you care. That's where he's on it. Alright, rear is complete. Plate on to the front. As long as my steering wheel's straight. And I'm most pumped that the exhaust doesn't do any tingling anymore and any twinkle vibrating, driving me nuts.
Oh, it did fix it.
Is that a magnet on that thing?
What?
Is that how it's holding it on there?
No. I think it's just sandwiches in there.
So, working on the tie rods, get front toe. It's up under here. Alright, that's a wrap. There is no camber adjustment in the front, so we get what we get. Too much horsepower, bro. Much torque.
Hold on.
We're good. Don't hear any rubbing. No rub. Gosh, it looks so good from this angle. Is it straight? All right, that's a wrap. Only one pass on the alignment rack, so the car looks legit. And we got the height right. The spacers are perfect, no rubbing. I hope I don't hit any rubs when I go do some dips or something when I'm doing, because this car's built for doing 130 miles an hour on the highway. We're looking good. I need to wash it again. Get all the fingerprints off, but I'd say a successful project. The car feels like a completely different car, and I haven't really even driven it yet. I hope it makes it fun where I keep it.
It certainly sounds more fun.
If I keep it, we're gonna be doing a darn carbon fiber roof and get rid of that stupid sunroof. But yeah, door
the
handles.
active tune is sick.
So that's a wrap, people. I'll catch you on the next one. We'll do some driving videos soon. I'll be doing the intake as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.